In this video, I'll show you how to export a Base44 website to Google Sites step by step. First, open Base44 and log into your account. Go to the project that contains the website you want to export. Make sure your website is fully completed and published before exporting, so everything works correctly after the transfer. Next, look for the Export, Publish, or Deployment option inside your project settings. If Base44 provides a public website link, copy the link of your published site. Open Google Sites and log into your Google account. Create a new site or open an existing one where you want to display your Base44 website. In Google Sites, use the Embed option and paste the link of your Base44 website. Adjust the size of the embedded section so the website displays correctly on the page. After that, publish your Google site to make the changes visible online. Your Base44 website should now be accessible through Google Sites.